That means somebody's drinking some formula somewhere. Or drinking some scotch. Tequila. Drinking some Pepsi. It's 6 o'clock across the world. It's 6 a.m. Somebody could be dirty in a diaper, or cleaning a diaper, or sleeping, or putting PJs on, or spitting up. It's 6:01. I hear a dog. Did you hear a dog? That's a poodle barking. Yeah. And I see a tree. And the tree has leaves. And we went to the pool today. Oh, we went to the pool for the first time today. Yay. Where's your sweet meat? I got sweet meat like Daddy. I got